Today I'm going to show you how to connect Dynamic Business Central and SmartConnect. We have help article connecting to Dynamic Business Central using OAuth data source. To begin, I set a description, new BC connector. The service URL we can find in the Business Central. Search for web service. Click on OData v4 URL. From the address bar, you can copy the URL until OData v4. Now I'm going to paste the service URL I have copied it from Business Central. And you notice the tenant ID is auto-filled from the service URL. Next step is to create a Azure app. App registration, new registration, application name is SmartConnect PC. For the redirect URL options, select web. The redirect URL we can find in SmartConnect. Let's move back to SmartConnect. The redirect URL we can copy from the Create Connection page. Paste in the redirect URL. Then click on Registration. Under the Manage, click on Certificate and Secret. New client secret. Set it for 2 years. Add a client secret. Copy the value. Remember to copy the value. Take a note. Then move to API permission. Add a permission. Select Dynamic Business Central. Delegated permission. Select both options. Add permission. From the overview, I can copy the application ID. Let's move back to SmartConnect. In SmartConnect, paste the application ID. Paste the secret value. Click Validate. Complete the authentication. OAuth user. Select default company. Save the connection. So connection is successful. Now we can verify this connection from data source. Moving to data source, bulk query, create bulk query, Business Central OData query, test vendors, connection to new USB-C connector. Add service. Select vendor card. Preview screen for vendor list. The vendor name should match the vendor name in Business Central. If you enjoy watching these videos, let us know